Yes, welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, we are trading gold. We are looking at gold, and we are trading a $1,000 account. We are currently in the London session. So the reason for this trade was basically, if you're to come on gold on the 1 minute, you can clearly see that the market is making a series of higher highs and higher lows that is giving us the structure of a downtrend. So we had our area of confluence around this zone here. So we had a previous resistance zone. This is like our higher low, and then we are getting the sellers retesting that zone here on the left hand side. Okay, then having this level of support, and that one is going to be our take profit. So if we get these sellers dropping up to this zone, I think we shall be closing. If you're interested in getting these sniper entries, check out our ebook. The links will be dropped in the description. We also offer mentorship, that is for 1 month. We give you 2 weeks of classes and then 2 weeks of live trading. So back to our chart, back to our trade. So we still want gold to drop up to this support zone here. We have been seeing that we are having these higher lows, then lower low, higher lows, lower low, higher low, then we dropped to this zone here. So we are having our area of confluence, and then we are having this retest in form of mini uptrend. Okay, so we took our sell around this zone here in this anticipation of gold dropping up to this zone here. So that's all we are waiting for. We are only using market structure, price action, volume. That's why we are trading in the London session. Let us see how it goes. We are already up $600, but we want to see the market dropping up to this zone